Right. So welcome students. Let me continue my lesson with circulatory system, the third topic, and I will be explaining this video using PowerPoint. You have to adjust, try to understand the lesson what I am explaining to you. So before going in detail about the lesson, let me tell you what is circulatory system. So as you are familiar how our towns and cities, the transport system is present, the buses, the trains, how they connect one city to other, one corner of a town to other corner of a town. There are some roads where all the vehicles can move or transport. So similar way in our body also we have a beautiful system called as circulatory system, where we have got a beautiful organ called heart, the blood vessels and the blood. So these three, heart, blood vessels and the blood, are called components of circulatory system. I'll repeat again. The three major components of circulatory system are heart, blood vessels and blood. So I'll be using PowerPoint and going further, and today I'll explain you about the structure of human heart. So transport system, before going in detail about the lesson, let me explain you the uses of this particular system, the advantages. So main function of transport system in our body, it is used to transport oxygen, carbohydrates, that is proteins and fats including carbohydrates, food material to every cell of our body. The main function to transport oxygen and simple food molecules to every cell of our body. That's the main function of transport system. It also plays an important role in transporting hormones which are produced from one part of the body and to transport to another region of our body. It also plays an important role in removal of waste material which is formed in our cells. It also helps in removing carbon dioxide from cells and supply to lungs so that it can be expelled out. So there are many such uses of transport system in our body. Transportation of oxygen, transportation of nutrients, removal of carbon dioxide and removal of nitrogenous waste. And inside our body, it helps in transporting hormones to different areas of our body. So naturally, our body is designed with a specific system which contains the three components, as I said you earlier, the heart, the blood vessels and the blood. So heart is called a very beautiful pumping device. So before knowing in detail about this particular structure of heart, let me explain you the three major components. So here you can see the three components of this particular transport system. The entire transport system includes the three major components. So the heart, the blood vessels and the blood. So when I use the word heart, so it is not only human being, heart including animals, aquatic animals and land animals. So in case of vertebrates, the animals having a backbone, from you are familiar about the 9th class topic where vertebrates you studied fishes, amphibians, reptiles, aves and mammalia. So fishes also have one heart, amphibians, reptiles, birds, mammals. All animals have only one heart. But if you see the beautiful heart, it has different structures in different animals. In almost all fishes, the heart is two-chambered. It is three-chambered heart in amphibians. Reptiles, it is incompletely divided four-chambered heart. Whereas birds and mammals, it is a four-chambered heart. So the structure of heart, the size of heart is different. But you can see that heart has got three different chambers in different animals. So remember, fish has two chambers. Frog has three chambers. all reptiles, they are incomplete divided four chambered. Birds and mammals, including human being, we have four chambered heart. When compared to blood vessels, you are familiar about the blood vessels names in your lower class, the arteries, the veins. So arteries and veins are the major blood vessels which connect the heart and from heart to all body parts. You can see the picture, from heart to all body parts, the blood vessels are connected, the arteries and the veins. And more about the third important component, the blood. The blood contains are of different three colors in different animals. It is in almost all vertebrates, the blood is red in color because of a pigment called hemoglobin. But there are some animals having a blue color blood. Example, the molluscans, the shelled animals. They have a different pigment called hemocyanin. So it is red color because of iron element and it is blue color because of copper. But animals like insects, they do not have any color. That's why the color of the blood is white in color. So this is all about the blood. The three components, the heart, the blood vessels and the blood. So I have to start in detail about the structure of human heart. So human heart is located in chest cavity, also called as thoracic cavity. So it is located exactly in the middle of our chest cavity, surrounded by lungs on either side. You can see the image. And this particular heart, it is a conical shaped organ. So heart is protected on all sides by lungs and the back side by our backbone, the ribs. So all these structures protect our heart from shocks and blows. Remember, heart is located in thoracic cavity, also called chest cavity. So let me explain in detail about the heart. So heart is made up of cardiac muscle, a special type of muscle present only inside heart of all animals including human being. Heart is conical in shape. So you are familiar about a beautiful cone ice cream, the conical shape. Our heart is also conical shape, bottom is pointed and the top is flattened. And the heart is a hollow organ. Hollow meaning is empty. Inside heart there is no blood staying at all. The blood keeps on circulating continuously until the existence of life on this planet for an animal or an organism. So this is all about the basic concept, the conical shape, the hollow organ, and it is made up of a muscle called cardiac muscle. And this particular heart, I am going to explain you the external structure of heart using a model. Just I have prepared a small model which explains you in detail about the external structure of human heart. So when this particular heart, it is seen from a live human body, of course it is seen only by doctors. So normally it is located between our lungs, it is conical in shape. So externally when you see the structure of the heart, it appears like this, just a model to make you understand. So that heart shows two deep grooves. So you can see the heart, the deep groove, one vertical groove and one horizontal groove, which explains internally the heart has got four chambers. So that two deep grooves which are present externally explain internally the heart has got four chambers. So externally the heart is connected to whole body parts with 5 blood vessels. How many blood vessels? 5 blood vessels. There are 5 major blood vessels which connect from heart to all parts of our body. So I am going to explain you in detail about the external structure of heart and internal structure of heart in detailed way.